Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to text to audio using AI. We got this little plugin here called text to sample. We open it up, takes us here. In case you're wondering what this plugin is called, it's called text to sample. So, you can basically type in anything like piano ragtime 90 no's. Hundreds. And it'll generate it for you. Let me just speed this up for you. Give it a second. You get something that sounds like this. Pretty neat, eh? Okay, well, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get updates on my latest videos and content. Have a nice day. Bye.